One and all, V Shiva. Before I'm going to introducing myself, I would like to discuss some of the issues and some of the problems what our students are going to facing. Now, what is the technology? Is the Facebook technology and the Twitter technology? Whether this technology properly we are using or not in the higher education system. Dr. C. N. R. Rao, the person who received the Bharat Ratna, from his words only, nowadays our students are getting only theoretical knowledge. If you are using the chalk and talk theory, in 40, suppose 1 hour classes, we are going to covering only the 45 minutes. Otherwise, deliberately we are delivering the lecture of only 30 minutes. That is also a theory part. But practical knowledge, we are unable to give the properly in that 1 hour time. And we are unable to introduce the lot of the tools and a lot of the things in that 1 hour classes also. So without practical knowledge, what is the purpose of the studying of the students? Then how we can put average student and below average the student up to benchmark of the great student, otherwise a good student? Might be these are all the aspects has known by IIT Bombay. That's why they are going to giving the 10,000 faculty training. In that training, they are going to discussing about the ICT, and still they are discussing about the ICT, information communication technology. By using this information communication and the technology, how you can soar the knowledge of the technology. First, they are going to transferring that information communication technology knowledge to us due to faculty from the faculties. Transparently, we are going to give a deliberated lecture to our students also. Once our faculty getting the train 100% deliberately, then we can easily teach to our students also what is the importance of this ICT, what is the importance of nowadays technology, both the practical aspects and the theoretical aspects together only. Suppose if I am studying, if I want to publish one paper, otherwise if I want to write one PhD thesis, suppose I'm taking the paper and writing 10 to 20 lines. The day after tomorrow and after 10 days, I am going to forgetting about my content, what I have written. Otherwise, today I am going to preparing the lecture as a conventional method, not like a new method by using the ICT technology. By using the conventional method, I am preparing the lecture at night time. Suppose around 35 to 40 points I have been noted. That points tomorrow 100% I want to able to teach in front of the students in terms of practical aspects. But according to the human nature, by in that 45 points, I can remember only 20 points. The remaining 20 points automatically hidden from my mind, otherwise hidden from anywhere. So means it's going to be vanish whatever remaining the points also. So by using this ICT technology, you can create a content. By using that create a content, the created content I will put in like a bank locker. That bank locker is nothing but our website. That means you can create in your own website. In that own website, anybody can go. That anybody, like as a students, whatever anybody regarding if they want the information in that website, whatever the content I can create and I can put very safely. Apart from that, I can put some assignments and teaching assessment marks and whatever the student information. Otherwise, my papers, my journal, my PhD thesis work, whatever I have the knowledge, whatever I have done up to my level, that can I put in the website. In that website only I can transparently transfer the knowledge to the students by using the concept of the ICT technology. So friends, as a faculty I am, I don't want 100% I don't want to use chalk, talk and duster theory. Up to some level I use the chalk and talk duster theory. After that I want to use my ICT technology, whatever IIT Bombay, our eminent and renowned faculty, whatever they taught us, by using the methods consecutively step by step, I can use and deliberately I want to transfer to my student. So today, which aspects I am going to discussing with you means the content is first, what is the purpose of this ICT technology in a good manner, how we are going to using that ICT technology to the average, below average. I don't want to use the average and below average, but I want to make average, below average student into very good student. So for the students, we have to teach about, means if I am coming to my concept, my contents, first I want to create a content. how that content I have to put safely in one locker. That locker is nothing but it's my website. How I have to create the website according to my desire and my aspects, and what is the different methods to save everything in that website I am going to discussing. So before I am going to my content, my name is Siva Brahmaiah Rama, working as an assistant professor in Mewad University, Rajasthan, Chittorgarh. So before going to the content, number one is the create a content. What is the purpose of the create a content? Yes, as a researcher, yes, I am the faculty. I want to publish the papers. Otherwise, I want to give some assessment marks. Otherwise, some assignments to my students. But because I want to give more knowledge to my student, definitely I want to create a content. How? What is the base? How you can create a content in this? What can I see in this laptop? Otherwise, by using this nowadays software technology. So anywhere software is definitely, as a electrical engineering, I want to use some of the softwares like a MATLAB and the Scilab. Suppose if I am coming to the electronics, I am going to using the LabVIEW. For that, doing the any experiments, first we have to implement on the software part. If the software parts is giving the result deliberately, after that I will go to the hardware part. Like this only, by create a content, I want to use the software of the WordPress. By using this software of the WordPress, step by step, by using this WordPress software, what we have to indent the content. Yes, I can create a few pages and I am going to creating the menu. It could also have a periodic page which is known as a blogs, and a simple websites are like which have just a few pages, very simple menu like a font, which after creating, if you will see that website, you can get one idea. Yes, it is my website. Yes, I created my own website with my hands. You will get very happy. So in this process, I would like to, first we have to go to the WordPress software. What's this WordPress software? What do you have to do? If you see in this window, the WordPress installation is there. Actually, everything is matter. Everything has provided by, what can I say, IIT Bombay. I would like to show my gratitude to IIT Bombay because you are giving such great knowledge to us. Really, sir, we are showing very gratitude to you lifelong. So, if you are going to this WordPress installation, in this window, if you will observe, there are 4 bifurcations are there. The first bifurcation is code from WordPress.org, package from Bitnami, some name WordPress.com, other hosting sites like GoDaddy. By code from WordPress organization, yes, you can download easily. Package from Bitnami also you can download the easily because these all are the not an internet access. Some name WordPress.com, you can't download this software. So means if you will see yes means you can download, no means in this website you can't download. That is only they mentioned. If you are coming to the hosted, it is both, first 2 are the local, second 2 are the third party. If you are coming to the cost, first 3 are free, second one is a monthly renewal you have to do. If you are coming to the space, there is a 2 unlimited, first 2 are unlimited, second one is a limited. So friends, if you take it as a reference and use this code, these 4 things, the 4 points, code from WordPress.org, Bitnami, WordPress.com, you can download the software very easily. So after downloading the software, what we have to do, I am going to discussing. After downloading this software, just this type of blue window is going to coming. WordPress power 28% something is there. So no problem. Get started. If you are going to the get started means one window is going to the opening. That means in that window you have to go to the login. Already I have been in login. That's why especially I am not going to login. So I'm going to think about it. So if you are going to the login, the window is going to coming like this. So you can create your own, like suppose I am the HOD of the one department, so I will type HOD.university.co.in. After that you log in, another window is going to coming. It is your window. In that window, one option is my site. If you are clicking this my site option, you are getting this. It is my profile picture I have placed here, and in that my site option, lot of things are there like a status, plans, site pages, blog post, media, comments. These all things are there. Step by step, you can add everything, and you will get everything according to you. So according to your desire, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the color of backgrounds, you can change the background of the color. So according to your desire, if you want to put any option like your title, like your profile picture, like a your research papers. Suppose content you want to use, you can use. Like here I'm using Brahmaiah Rama. About me is total my personal details are going to come in. Professional experience, teaching, research and publications, download my material, contact, blog. Otherwise, I can add one more thing like a assignments. Otherwise, one more blog, nothing but what can I say? Research articles. Because student can also visit my website. If I will give my URL link, they will open my website and they can download according to whatever they want. Otherwise, whatever I am giving, they can easily download. So these are the different methods are there, different things are there. Easily you can take it and one by one you can add it easily. Finally, shape. It's my website and your website also. Just 4 to 5 important points I am going to discuss with you. It is very easy. It's very easy. Actually, due to time, just I am covering only with shortcut ways only. So you go to this website properly and download the WordPress installation. If you are going to the WordPress installation, this window is going to come in. After coming of this window, you can log in. If you are going to log in, this window page is going to come in. Make your username and the password and you log in. And after that login, you will go to the my site. After you are going to the my site, you can add your profile picture and you can add site pages, blog spots, media, comments. Step you can write down and you can add according to you. It's the only basic information, basic pillar information to you. Is there customize? It is there. In this customize option, if you are going, this window is going to come in. This window, whatever you want to do, you do according to you. Like a color changes, like a content changes, like your profile picture changes, whatever you want. You can indulge a lot of things in your own website. You can give them more information to the students, and you can teach these things to your students also. And you can upload your video lectures also, pre-recorded video lectures also. Suppose tomorrow you are going to, personally I am telling to you, tomorrow if you are unable to deliver the lecture in proper manner, means suppose if you are not feeling well, otherwise if your mood is not good, today evening only pre-record your video lecture and open that video lecture and give to the students and put the open quizzes. Otherwise tell to the student from this video what we have done. Like this they will learn, we are also going to learn. Like our education system, our knowledge is going to be balancing. So finally, it is my website. By taking the help of the ICT technology and what the information has given by the P. Sundar sir. Sir, I am very thanks to you, sir, for giving the great knowledge to me. And face-to-face interaction also, I learned a lot of the things. And some of my friends has suggested me for making this video also. I would like to thanks to my friends as well as the IIT Bombay. Special thanks to you, sir, for conducting this type of the workshops. And in future also, we are expecting more things from you, more and more things from you, and means putting the our higher education institutes up to that mark. Thank you very much. Bye bye.